We're counting down the 5 best motorcycles for older riders in 2025, where comfort, confidence, and real-world control trump raw speed. From lightweight cruisers and tech-packed tourers to bikes that make riding with joint pain easier than ever, these picks prove that what used to be boring is now built for the long haul. Which model takes the top spot for experience and longevity? Let's kick off our ranking with number 5. For older riders looking to keep their independence without wrestling a heavyweight, the Honda Rebel 1100T lands at number 5. This is a cruiser that puts comfort and confidence first, not just style. The seat sits just 27 inches off the ground, letting most riders plant both feet flat at a stop, a small detail that makes a big difference when your knees or hips aren't what they used to be. At around 500 pounds wet, the Rebel feels light and manageable, especially compared to the big twins many riders grew up with. Honda's DCT automatic transmission does away with clutch pulls and foot shuffling, making it a relief for anyone with arthritis or tired wrists. Riders can simply twist and go, whether they're coming back after years away or trading down from something heavier. Optional saddlebags and a windscreen turn the Rebel into a capable tourer for weekend trips. For many, it's the first time in years a cruiser has felt fun again. No more fighting the bike, just enjoying the ride. While it doesn't come loaded with every luxury, the Rebel 1100T's blend of ease, classic looks, and modern convenience makes it a smart pick for those who want to keep riding, not just remembering. For riders who refuse to let go of tradition, the Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic stands as a bridge between past and present. Its silhouette calls back decades of open-road adventures, but the experience on board is anything but old-fashioned. The seat, set at just under 27 inches, lets most riders put a solid foot down, critical for confidence at stoplights or in parking lots. Wide handlebars and a big cushioned saddle invite long days in the saddle, while the bike's stable geometry makes balancing nearly 730 pounds feel less daunting than the numbers suggest. Underneath that familiar chrome and leather, the Milwaukee 8117 engine quietly does its work. Dual counterbalancers tame the traditional V-twin shake, turning hours of riding into a gentle rumble rather than a numbing buzz. Modern touches, ABS, traction control, and cruise control, take the edge off highway miles, but never steal the spotlight from the bike's classic character. For many, the Heritage Classic is more than transportation. It's a way to stay connected to a lifestyle, to memories of long rides and roadside diners. As one club member put it keeps you in the lifestyle, not fighting the bike. Riders who want nostalgia without punishment find comfort here. The old school look, the new school ease, and the pride of knowing that comfort and heritage can ride side by side. Yamaha's Tracer 9 GT Plus takes a different approach, one that speaks directly to riders who want the confidence of cutting-edge technology beneath them. At just under 485 pounds, the Tracer 9 GT Plus feels nimble for a sport tourer, but it's the intelligence built into the bike that sets it apart. Adaptive radar cruise control uses sensors to monitor traffic ahead, gently adjusting speed to maintain safe following distances. For riders who know their reaction times aren't what they used to be, this feature takes the edge off long highway stretches and busy commutes. The automatic braking assist can even apply the brakes if the system senses a sudden slowdown, adding a layer of reassurance that wasn't available a decade ago. The upright riding position and semi-active suspension mean less strain on the back and knees, with the bike constantly adjusting itself for changing road conditions or added luggage. Yamaha's bright, easy-to-read TFT dash was designed with aging eyes in mind. Large fonts, high contrast, and simple menus keep vital information clear, even in harsh sunlight. Back in 2022, Yamaha engineers faced tough questions about adding this much tech to a motorcycle. Would it be too complex, too expensive? The answer came during a closed test with over 60 riders aged 60 and up. Many described feeling a new sense of freedom. One called it the first time in years I wasn't worried about being the slowest to react. Their feedback tipped the scales, making the Tracer 9 GT, plus the first mainstream sport tourer to put radar and auto brake features front and center for older riders, While it doesn't have the plushness of the top luxury tourers, the Tracer 9 GT Plus stands out for making advanced safety feel natural, not intimidating. It's a bridge for those who want to keep riding fast and far, but with the quiet confidence that comes from knowing the bike is watching out for you too. Rush hour in a busy city, and the Honda NC750X DCT blends right in, quiet, steady, and always ready to go. For older riders who use their bike as daily transportation, this is where the NC750X shines. The automatic DCT gearbox means there is no clutch to pull or gear lever to hunt for in stop-and-go traffic. Riders can focus on the road, not their left hand or foot. That simple change removes one of the biggest sources of fatigue and awkward stalls, especially for those with arthritis or limited mobility. With a curb weight just under 480 pounds and a low center of gravity, the NC750X feels planted at parking lot speeds. Its design keeps most of the mass low and central, making it easier to steady during slow U-turns or when backing out of a tight spot. Under the seat, there is a storage compartment big enough for a full-face helmet or a week's worth of groceries. No more awkward bungee cords or saddlebags just to run errands. Fuel economy is another standout. Owners regularly report over 60 miles per gallon, and the parallel twin engine is tuned for smooth, predictable power rather than thrills. That means less lurching, less drama, and more confidence in traffic. Maintenance is straightforward, with long service intervals and fewer moving parts to worry about. Anecdotes from dealers and owner forums point to a pattern. Riders over 60 who switch to the NC750X DCT talk about how much less stressful their commute becomes. Fewer stalls, smoother takeoffs, and less worry about dropping the bike in a crowded lot. While there is no official number for incident reduction, the consensus is clear. This is a motorcycle that works with you, not against you. For anyone who wants practical, low-effort riding without sacrificing comfort or safety, the NC750X DCT is a top contender. For riders who dream of crossing continents without worrying about fatigue, the BMW R1250 RT stands at the top of the list. This is a motorcycle engineered for comfort over the long haul, blending advanced technology with thoughtful design to keep older riders in the saddle longer. The seat adjusts between 29 and 31 inches, making it accessible for a wide range of heights, while the wet weight of around 615 pounds is balanced by a low center of gravity and a perfectly distributed chassis. BMW's dynamic electronic suspension system constantly recalibrates itself, responding instantly to changes in weight, road surface, or riding style. Early prototypes struggled with rear shock bottoming when fully loaded for touring, but engineers responded by upgrading sensors and adding new damping profiles specifically for senior touring and maximum payloads. Now, even with two-up riding and loaded panniers, the RT glides over rough pavement without punishing the rider's back or knees. Hill Start Assist takes the stress out of steep city streets or mountain passes. No more wrestling with the clutch and throttle when stopped on an incline. Just squeeze the brake and the system holds the bike steady until you're ready to roll. Heated seats and grips come standard, turning cold mornings and late-night rides into cozy journeys. These details matter for older hands and joints, transforming what could be a test of endurance into a pleasure ride, no matter the weather. The heart of the RT is its smooth, torquey boxer engine, known for effortless acceleration and minimal vibration. Riders don't have to chase the power band or downshift constantly. The bike pulls from low revs, making passing and highway cruising easy on both the mind and body. A retired couple, both in their mid-60s, rode their R1250 RT from Boston to San Diego in 2025, logging over 3,000 miles in 2 weeks. They credited the adaptive suspension and heated comforts with keeping them fresh day after day. "Without the tech, I don't think we'd have completed the trip," the rider told a local reporter. For those who want to keep exploring, not just reminiscing, the BMW R1250 RT delivers a complete package: comfort, safety, and the confidence to keep chasing the horizon. From the lighter, user-friendly Honda Rebel 1100T to the fully loaded BMW R1250 RT at the top, This list of the best motorcycles for older riders in 2025 proves that comfort, safety, and adaptability now define the ultimate ride. Across all 5 entries, the common thread is clear: low seat heights, manageable weights, and advanced tech like DCT automatics or adaptive suspensions consistently outshine raw horsepower. The most surprising shift is how features once seen as secondary, heated grips, electronic assists, and stability-focused ergonomics, are now essential for keeping riders in the saddle well past 50. The ranking highlights a new standard: bikes that work with aging bodies, not against them. This category has evolved. Today's best motorcycles for older riders extend the thrill of the open road without compromise. In the end, these machines prove one thing: experience beats aggression, and the right motorcycle lets you keep showing up no matter your age.